It's weird, isn't it?
Ooh, something is slime. Oh my god, Gina got the thing I wanted.
My moustache
There's another one. Wait, what is it? Let me
Is that real blood or is that just... Is that real blood
Just
or
your
is that
one.
just...
Yes. Wait, where is it?
Ready?
Go!
One!
No, you sit on the end.
There.
Ready?
I swear you're moving it.
broke.
Guys, move it so they can't do it.
Can't reach it. It's unfair.
Tracy, you might want to move this one along a bit more.
Oh, Eloise got a bite.
I'm gonna win my one.
Can we use our elbows like that?
You didn't have it then.
Go on, Eloise.
I'm a good friend. I knew the question.
When's my birthday?
No. Oh my god, I don't even know you.
When's mine?
No, you should have it.
No, when's mine?
Everyone knows when my birthday is.
No.
I don't.
I don't know anyone's birthday, to be honest.
I know it's the 16th of October.
Who's?
Oh, I got a good one. What's Becca's middle name?
Oh, wow.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Yeah,
you should
I
know
know
this.
this.
It's the exact same as mine. That's the only way I remember it.
Is that actually?
Yeah.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Is it Louise?
Do you want to just shove your face in it anyway?
Yeah, okay, ready?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Ready? Go. Go.
Quickly, get to me.
Still like the sour things.
Oh my god, you open them.
It's like a prize for.
Ooh.
Oh, so you just I'm winning then. I'm gonna be like there, stuck it.
Do you want to see my Christmas party? Quickly, get to me.
You're on a roll here.
There's a blue or yellow.
The other shoot's even more disgusting.
What colour do I have?
I have one. And it's the world. What's the green one?
Yeah, yellow.
Yeah.
I got it.
God, she packs a punch.
I don't want to go to his birthday.
I didn't even know.
It's August the 7th!
Is it?
2004!
Okay, so she doesn't need to.
I want it!
Where'd you dress? Where'd you dress?
Go. Ready?
Oh, got my hair.
In my hair.
What in the? Oh my god.
What's in my hair?
She's doing enough for popping. Oh, hello.
You right there, Beck?
I'm gonna be the person that's.
Oh my god, that looks so...
Let me move!
Hello! Anna, your face. Anna.
What was that?
Ow, my elbow. Ow, 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 ow.
No, I'm frozen in this position, okay?
Ready, I'm just going.
Annie got frozen in that position.
Oh,
Sorry,
My,
Jazz.
oh, I'm in the perfect position right now.
Selfie. Like going backwards.
Yeah, that doesn't count.
Charlie wins.
I'll stay like this position.
What was that?
Okay, what goes five?
He's setting off the fireworks!
Wait, oh no! Wait, is it in a different place though?
They've never seen fireworks before. I know. No, guys, it's tiny. That one was me because it's tiny. Then when it gets angry.